Now we are going to see the wonderful whale. Our destination is to see the wonderful whale. We are going by bike. We are riding so fast.
Very busy traffic. Everyone comes to see the wonderful, amazing fountain.
We have stopped our bike here because there is muddy road ahead. We are walking through the muddy road. We are walking through the small road to reach our destination.
Finally, we have reached our destination.
That is the wonderful whale. That is the wonderful whale. Very, very amazing. Look at there. Water flows out of the whale continuously. It is very amazing and look very nice. Everyone comes to see the whale, they wonder, but they're happy to see it. Everybody like it. Everybody shoot video. Everybody took sniff. Look at the whale. How wonderful it is. That is the water flowing out of the whale.
अंदर हो ए फानी लाइट दिया वीडियो क्लियर हो माने फानी लाइट ना ई लाइट दिया रिफ्लेक्शन हो वीडियो क्लियर हो आ दिनिसिना पूरा साफा फानी दिया